Hey guys, I'm outside today and I hear a baby bird crying in a tree. So I'm gonna about you can hear that, right? Okay, let's go see. It's in this tree right here. So some birds hide in big trees, some birds hide in small trees. So I've seen a baby bird, I think. I don't know. I don't think I've seen it anymore because it's been in the tree for a while. The moment bird something falling out of the tree. Okay, we need to go over here so it can make a sound. That's what I did. Such a beautiful day and a sunny day. Go mama and apples. I have a phone. I'm going to swimming lessons after, but what time is it? It's not time yet. I know you guys don't see it because I didn't turn it on. It's 10:11. I don't know. Trying to get my shoes dirty because there's a guy outside. I'm not allowed near guys. Why do I keep farting? Just kidding, that's not me. It's like he's falling out of the tree. Okay. I'm gonna do a part 2 because my phone's about to die, so bye.